Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much, first of all, for coming on my channel and checking out this video. So in this one, I'm going to show you this beautiful project where I have used the computer vision libraries. So how does this project works? Let me first show you that. So for changing the slides, I need to bring my hand in front of the camera of my device. And if I will just show my this finger to the camera, so you can see the slide has changed, right? So basically this project can be used for for presenting something, right? If you have prepared a presentation and you are presenting that thing to the viewers, so you can use this project. Virtually you can change the slides like this. If I want to go back, suppose on the previous slide, so I'll have to show it a thumb like this. And for coming on the first slide, I can show it my thumb again. So, that is how I can navigate in between the different slides. Now, suppose I want to, highlight something. So for that, I can make use of a red pointer. Fine. I hope you are able to see the pointer moving. Right? Isn't it amazing? If you really are liking this, if you are liking this project, go ahead, take the course which I am providing right now, okay, in which everything related to software development, web application development, mobile application development, everything will be covered, and you are going to take away many things from that course. If you want to learn only, suppose if you want to learn only game development, so you can go with that too. If you want to learn only mobile application development, you don't want to go with things related to artificial intelligence, so it's totally your call, right? You can take the course accordingly. Now, if I'll have to suppose highlight something over here, I can simply encircle that thing. For example, if I want to highlight these clouds, I can encircle these clouds like this, and then I can come down. If I want to remove this circle, I'll have to do like this. I'll have to show my three fingers to the camera and see the circle just disappear. Right, if you want me to draw more than two circles, I can do that too, like this. One circle, then two circles, right, then three circles. Okay, and now for removing these circles, I can simply show my three fingers like this to the camera. So first circle just got removed, second circle got disappeared, and it's time for us to remove the third one. So that is how this project works. Fine. In this project, I have used the same libraries which I used for developing the game application, if you remember, that snake game which I showed you in the previous lecture. So CvZone is the library I have used here, and I know you are liking this application a lot. If you really want to learn to develop these types of things, you can take my course. This is my number. I hope you are able to see it right now on your screens. So 9891665634, and the course is starting. The classes are starting from 1st of April. So if you will enroll now, definitely you will get some discount on the total course fee. But if you will delay, or if you want to take some time to think, maybe in future you will not get this course which I have developed in the same price, which I am giving to the students right now. Okay, so make sure that you take this course. Definitely you will learn many things in this course, and you are going to get an industry level of coding experience. This is it from my side in this video. Thank you very much for checking it out. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye and take care, everyone.